Okay, we're back, and I have another Raggedy Ann doll that I bought, and it's from the Knickerbocker Toy Factory. It's basically Annabelle's little brother. So I bought this in, quote, mint condition. The box is in very old condition, as you can see, and the price tag is still on it. It's from Playco and it was going for about 40 bucks. I don't know what year exactly this one is from. Might be from the 70s or 80s. I think more the 70s, but if you look on the back, the illustration on the back is kind of creepy. So this is the original box. Like I said, it's in pretty old condition. It's been hidden away in some dude storage for a very long time, and apparently has not been removed from the box. So let's go ahead and get him out of here and see what he has to say to us. Here he is. Alright, well, he is in mint condition. I don't see anything wrong with him so far. And he is a 35-inch tall Raggedy Andy doll. Well, folks, here he is. He's got some lint. That's to be expected. He's been stuck in a box his whole life. So far, everything looks brand spanking new. His little outfit, all his buttons are intact. No face stains. Whoops. That was kind of creepy. His hat is intact. And if we turn him around, this is important. All of his hair is intact. You can tell like he's never been played with, but he's got Velcro closure, and that's what we want to see. That's from Knickerbocker. So in case you don't know, it's a toy company that's no longer in business, and they specialized in making Raggedy Ann dolls and Andy dolls for a very long time. So I feel like I lucked out. I found him for a really good price. I've seen other large Raggedy Ann dolls for hundreds and hundreds of dollars right out of the box, still new. So yeah, I guess it was meant to be. So I have another video where I restored a Raggedy Ann doll, this one, and now I have a mint condition, same size, 35-inch Andy doll. I am so stoked right now. I never thought I would find these two in such great condition. When I was a little kid, I had Raggedy Ann, but I didn't have a Raggedy Andy doll. And this creepy little feller, I also got online years back, mint condition. So if you are into collecting union-made vintage toys, this is a score, for me at least. And to get him in the box, that's just dope. Like, I'm really stoked. So thanks for tuning in. I don't feel like there's a lot of ragdoll enthusiasts out there, but this is really cool. So yeah, thanks. Thanks for tuning in and watching the unboxing of this mint Raggedy Ann doll. See you guys later. Bye.